Hi, very good afternoon. It's me, Franklin, Creamstone Operation Manager. Very happy to be the second time at ice cream competition in High-Tech City. People that taste ice cream, they should find out what is the flavor and tell HYBIZ TV a wonderful job. And we have a Creamstone here. This is the second time we are coming. And we,
So, any new flavors in your cream stone
yeah,
now?
we have multiple flavors. We have new flavors we launched in a Creamstone, and new outlet is come in Kokapet. We have in Kondapur, Vikrampuri. The new concept, the new avatar is come, and the seasonal concept is Kala Jamun, and Alfonso Mango is on. And we have introduced Faluda, then we introduced a plated dessert, Kasata, then we introduced fruit in a fruit, like no lots of things we introduced. You should feel the experience ice cream at Creamstone, Kokapet, Kondapur and Vikrampuri. Please do land up to Creamstone and enjoy your favorite ice cream. We are at your service.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.